This is a Japanese noodle dish that I've had since I was a kid, and the noodles are gray. And the idea is that you eat them on New Year's so that you're eating your gray hair and you don't get old. It's made out of what's called like a buckwheat noodle, a ramen noodle, that we boil. And then the broth is made out of a miso, that's a miso sauce that you buy at the store, and we dilute 12-1. And then we take the mochi and we put it in a toaster and till it rises and gets a little bit crispy, and we cut it up to quarter pieces. And then we added, we got some nori and toasted it so it was not soggy, so it's a little bit crispy. And then we cut up some green onions, and so we just put the soup base in the bowl, put the noodles in, put the mochi in, and then sprinkle the nori on top, and then put the green onions on last.
Okay, noodles for a long life, and then to my very careful selection of grandparents.
So this year, Takashi will turn 100. This is 2025.